it's not just like a fun thing or like a nice way to make a little extra money or something. It's actually a really smart way to give your business an advantage and protection from unseen issues.
Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. Today, we're going to be sharing a clip from one of our weekly office hours sessions within our Creative X crew, which is our free community filled with professional web designers, freelancers, agency founders, no-code makers, and people who build amazing things for the internet. During these sessions, I answer questions, provide design feedback, talk positioning, branding, pricing, you name it. The crew is growing every single day and we have a ton of fun. And there is a special place with your name on it. So I want to invite you to join us in the Creative X crew, be a part of our family, and join us in these weekly office hours. It's free and the link is in the description down below. I'd love to see you on the inside. Now let's get into today's clip.
Because everything you create creates a byproduct. And then when you look at that, you're like, wait a minute, is that something I can repackage and repurpose and accelerate or make what I'm doing easier or sell or use as some sort of asset or advantage? Possibly. So look at everything that you do, that you create, and that you in your primary service. Like, take a look at the shop floor and see what you have made a mess of. See what the waste is, and actually look at it with kind of fresh eyes, more entrepreneurially focused, if that's a phrase, and see like, what can I do with that? How is that beneficial to me or to my target audience or a side market? That can be used as a portfolio of income sources. That can be sold more passively. That can augment your income. So now your income goes from 100% freelancing service-based to 90% service-based, 10% product. Then maybe that creates another side thing, and then it creates another portfolio, like an income source. By portfolio, I'm using an investing metaphor here. Is in your investing portfolio, you should diversify and have multiple sources to reduce risk and also potentially increase your growth. So it's like now you're going to 80% service income, 15% product, 5% like, I don't know, coaching calls or consulting calls. I know that's technically a service, but not your primary service. And then that starts to shift and make movements and stuff starts to happen. And then all of a sudden, let's say COVID-19 happens. We're going back in time here, and one of those income sources takes a huge hit because you can no longer do in-person, like remodeling sessions for their, home. Like I'm just using that example. But then you did these Zoom calls and you did these kind of virtual sessions. Those exploded because now everybody in the world who has that problem find that. And so this one diminishes, but this one grows. But if you didn't have that, then all of a sudden that one diminishes and then bye-bye, you can no longer be in business and then you have to find something else. That's why I think it's very important it's not just like a fun thing or like a nice way to make a little extra money or something. It's actually a really smart way to give your business an advantage and protection from unseen issues. And it also gives you unseen potential opportunities that you would not have otherwise experienced. So as you're making your cuts and you're building your picnic bench, take a look at the shop room floor and see what sort of mess you've created, because it could actually be something that totally changes the way you do business.
I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. And also don't forget to join the Creative X crew. The link's down in the description. And while you're here, why not check out this video? And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.